is Geethika and today I'll be making pumpkin juice. So the ingredients are dry ginger, jaggery and pumpkin which I have cut into this. You can use the seeds if you want. It is also healthy. So the benefits of this are it will make the hot body into colder and it also helps to prevent cancer. Well, and we also have some water. We'll get started. First, we're going to add the pumpkin. And then I'll add the dry ginger. And next, I'll be adding the jaggery. And finally, some water. And then we're going to put it in the juicer. Now we are done. So let's pour this in through the sieve into the bowl. So now it's done. And we are going to pour the juice into the glass. And we are going to serve this. But I'm going to try it this time. It's really nice. I hope you try it later. Bye.